try to change your textures to low before you retry.
Okay.
Where are we? R3? B?
Let's wait for it.
What are the cogwheel signs mean?
Very trigger.
Oh,
Your caches. They moved it second.
like where? Here? Hmm.
This happens. Like right here, possibly. Look, right here, right here, right here. I'm on the barrels. Right.
Uh, changed it and I'm loading, but I'm restarting the game.
Yes.
So we have to turn like right.
Yeah. Right. That's
Okay.
go to the three-story dorm. So we go to the second floor.
I have some keys with me for the dorms. I know, but I have a dorm 203 and a dorm guard desk key.
That's
Loading loot.
Says it's on the dark desk room and the first floor main entrance of the two-story dorms and customs. What?
it's okay. So it's
I'm in.
Oh, I see you. To your right.
got to bring my markers, so it's just a guessing. Okay.
All right, here's some money
Ooh,
for Don. Ajette, stay away. It's payment for the gun.
All right.
we're outside of that. Like here, our breeze.
Southside R3 copy. Oh, I need earphones.
saw a woodpecker. I heard a woodpecker.
Who's leading?
It's me. Actually, Donald, why don't you lead?
Oh yeah, I hear the woodpecker.
Have you ever seen a woodpecker? I saw one for the first time in a park.
Yes, I've seen woodpecker before.
Trains.
Derailed.
How's the game look with the low textures?
It's fine. It's like low texture game.
Like you can tell the difference between this
I don't know, maybe.
play over something.
Sure.
Very buried treasure.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I could access it. Never mind. Shots fired? On God.
On guard. Alright, got it.
What's inside?
Wires. Can of... Ooh, gun.
Hey, that's a suppressed gun.
Who is that?
Jeez.
Okay.
A submachine gun?
That was a suppressed gun, yeah, that's the get to. So I would be very careful. Maybe come to the doors actually.
Yeah.
That's take it. I'll wait till back down a little bit. And then put each other on.
The PMCs are on our side though, right?
There possibly could be, like they're supposed to, the battle state said like they give the PXCs different like attitudes, so they're
Someone's shooting at us.
Yep, near us. Right
there
near
a
the fence
sniper?
line.
Where's the sniper at?
I don't know. I think they were
It's not marked.
like north
You think the smokestack?
northeast of us.
It's too far for a smokestack. Okay.
Proceed. Watch out, this barbed wire on this fence. Touch the barbed wire.
What's our exit though?
Dorms.
Plan of exit.
Over the
Okay.
carpet line.
Hey, there's a tent. Let's look if they have. Yeah. Yes.
I don't know. Fight in the woods. I can't see shit.
Look if they have rations.
Hunting matches. Is that useful?
Matches, I think you need it just to upgrade your hideout.
Do I even have a hideout?
Yes, you do. Everybody has one.
Anyone see
I'm
me?
scared, Don. I don't know where we are.
Do you see me?
Yeah.
Are you the one with the face mask?
Dawn's
Oh,
still
okay,
with the blue, white clothes. Yeah.
Okay.
Couldn't see me.
Mm-hmm. Whatever. You don't have your yellow armband.
Shit, where'd it go? Okay, I don't know. Lost. Oh, I might have threw it away. When
I see.
ditching my shit. So it didn't-
Okay, scout the dorm. 3-story. Should we do it indoors? Or like if we're gonna fight people, should we be indoors or outdoors?
We should be definitely indoors. I want to be in cover before we
Okay.
engage anyone.
Don't be the grease so now. Stop that fast. I'm gonna get up to the wall. Just up to the wall.
Watch the doors, watch the windows.
In front.
No visual.
There's
Watching the back.
PMC. Moving away. Moving away. You went to the small shaft. Small shaft.
Okay.
It's the
Should we?
small
Can we
shaft.
approach from the back?
PMC
I want
though.
to be inside first.
Don, we have no cover here. We have absolutely no cover.
Yeah, don't snipe.
Should we go on the outside of this fence or inside courtyard?
PMC,
Shit.
I'm on the woods area.
This is way. I like this way better. I want to be on third-story dorm wall before we engage.
I'm not going to track up this window.
You sure?
Stairs. Stairs.
Copy.
Go all the way to the top. Jeez, wait a second.
Oh shit!
Watch this room to the
Move
right
inside
and
quickly,
open on the left.
quickly. Okay. Closing door behind us.
I'm in this room. Hey, there's a computer.
Watching hallway.
Can't do anything with this computer.
205.
205.
We're at 212 right now.
Very corners.
I'm killing anyone I see come in here.
Yeah.
Check all the doors. I have one strand of them just sit there. This move up this
Oh, footsteps.
oh, shit.
Down the hall. To the right. Me. Good. There's barely anything. Okay. Wait, where's 205? Let's go to 205.
Nope.
So 212. No. Oh, yeah. No,
They're
no,
getting
no.
something
That
else.
they're engaged. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, 205 is like down the hall to the left. But we have to clear the rooms.
Okay. Covering rear.
That's it. It's arm. Engage. It's arm. Engage. It's down.
Move quickly. I'm gonna open these doors and make sure the rooms are clear. Bathroom.
Close them after you're done. Because they
Okay.
get in the way.
Can I loot? No. Um, yeah. Just a bunch of things in okay. Closing room.
Start off the right.
The one on the left has already been searched.
Oh, submission.
Copy.
2-5 over here.
Okay. Steps. I'm just vaulting over. I can't. Okay. I'm in 205. What am I looking for? There's no yellow jacket in here. No.
Are you? You're
Am
in
I in 205?
I don't
Told me
think
it's
you
above
are.
the bed. Ugh. Oh, that bed. Okay, I find a jacket. It's blue though.
Scav here.
I got it. I got the machiner key.
Scav
Okay,
here.
they're aware.
Yeah.
Okay. God, there's like 2 keys. Oh, 3 keys if you guys want. Okay, let's
Just
go.
pick them all up. Pick them all
I
up.
picked it all up.
Okay.
Okay.
Jen.
God damn.
Is this the north or south side?
We're on the north side.
Okay. You want to tinker next, or
Yes, take it.
so
Not
through the woods
directly.
north?
Not directly, yeah. We'll do the fence. We'll do the fence. Do the border fence.
Can you?
Fence, the fence.
Yeah.
Shots from the left side.
From behind.
Keep running.
Okay, I'm at the fence.
Keep running.
Left along the
Okay.
fence.
Right. East.
What?
No, east.
East. Okay. I have to eat, guys.
Okay, stop. The room's covered. Eat.
Okay.
We are. Meet us out.
Me.
Not me. I've got a beer. Should I drink it?
You can. You just get.
Check the stats.
You just get
Stats.
some focus, attention.
My attention
so-
goes down a little bit.
Yeah, just the attention. But you do get hydrated.
This is true.
Here,
Well,
can I drop some machinery keys so each one of us has one?
Say,
Okay, can you make... Okay.
probably beer and. Okay. Say we. We'll do the bar on the road. Just cover the boxes.
Wait, there's a skull and bones here.
Yeah.
What is that?
Um,
Is that a boss?
I thought that's a boss.
What's the skull and bones mean then?
Possible scab. Oh shit!
What?
Long distance? I can't.
Okay, let's... You're very open, Donald. You're not covered at all. Someone's shooting at me.
Should we push up and help?
No, but there's cover behind the cargo.
Where were they? Behind a truck or where?
You went to the wall. The wall says you went.
Wait, let me check for a sniper. There might be snipers on the
Blue car,
left
copy.
building near the 2 smokestacks.
Yeah, check the smokestacks, Don.
Oh, huh.
I don't know. This is where snipers could be, right?
Yeah, I feel like someone was trying to shoot at me. So we're going for the pink car?
Tinker. Can I get in those snipers? Pushing up forward a little bit more. He's moving. He's down. Got it. Got neutralized.
Excellent.
Why is my speed so slow? Energy.
Heavy. You can pick up a lot of shit.
No?
Fast now. I think
Like-
you're in the weeds. You're in the weeds.
Oh, if I'm in the... Oh, I see. See? There's shots fired.
It's not at us,
Here.
though.
Move to the other side.
Cover. Moving cover. Okay, there's a hole in the wall. You see that? Or we can get to the tanker.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to move cover to cover. I'm gonna,
We can get to your car first. Oh, you don't have a marker?
Yeah, I have to put out the markers.
Oh, so what are we doing here?
Oh, you need to get
We're getting to the
tanker.
tanker.
your mission Ajette, the machinery key.
Okay, let's move up. Let's open. Let's get out. Let's get it open.
Here, use
Moving
the
across,
hill.
crossing street.
Saturn, leapfrog. Okay, right there. I'm the sniper, so I need to turn up slowly. The wall.
My bad.
What the heck?
Trying to open the door. Can
Okay.
we check the bodies?
Or are they dead?
It's
Okay.
Ooh. Knife.
don't get too loot on this
So, is that the truck that I have to go to?
tanker. See a circle on the map?
Oh, God.
Shots near me.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
being shot.
Across the street. Across the rail.
What?
Okay, this.
I told you. Okay, get inside this building. They're coming from behind.
Help me cover. I'm limping.
Near back where the containers were, where we were. I'm in the store building where we
How'd
were
you get
hiding
in?
in. There's a door from behind back.
This is breach only.
No, the front, the other side. Never mind, never mind. Over here, come here.
Okay.
You can come in here and hide a little bit.
You hurt?
Yes, I'm hurt.
Let me open it. There, it's open.
No, I'm already on this.
Okay.
Get in, man. Open the door. What do you need? Deal.
I already got it. I got right leg is hurt. Fractured pain. Tremor. That didn't fix it. The grizzly didn't fix it.
Fracture is a
Is it
split.
black?
It's 0 out of 30.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
it's
it's
black.
black.
It's black.
Okay, you haven't seen
You
this
need-
yet.
You need a suture.
No.
Door open.
See this kid, so you need it.
I do.
They know we're here.
See this kid. I dropped the CNS kid quickly, and then you gotta go. I dropped it right on top of your body.
Hold on, I'm using cheese. Takes so long to use. Okay, I am functional now.
Okay. You need heal.
Okay, dropping.
People outside. On the left side of this.
Mark.
No, I mean, on the back side of this building, I think. I heard voices.
Okay, let me know how you want. I'm gonna keep healing until we decide where we're gonna
Okay.
move.
Covering the back door. Oh, I think they're outside the back door. There's not much cover once we get out of here.
Okay. Back door, she got the front door then. The nurse. They're coming. In the front door.
Copy?
Right in front of the front door. I'm trying to pen through. Got it. How do you get it? I didn't-
There's more footsteps around this building.
Jesus, watch your ammo, Don. Watch your ammo.
I'm
Watch your ammo.
scared. It's so bright.
Okay, we have to have the exfil. We can't
Yeah, we gotta
stay
go.
here indefinitely. What's the plan? R- Run?
Oh, there's a cash register here. Cover me. Okay. Hey, can I get their dog? Oh, wait. I need a PMC dog tag, actually.
Okay, I'm gonna do this tomorrow. We can go, okay?
Okay. Which way? Okay, go. Go.
Alright, going for the
Watch
break in the
out
wall,
for
right?
or snipers, possibly. Right? There's two smokestack building.
Yeah, I really need long range for
In front
her.
of the tanker, in front of the tanker. He moves.
Move. Changing cover. Watch for barbs.
Is that a sniper shot?
I killed the scav. Like my
Sniper is
Someone's
shooting at
snipering
us.
at us.
White building in north of us here, maybe? Not white building, but whatever.
Oh, top of the two white white
Smokestacks?
smokestacks. Yeah.
Oh,
Watch out.
he's dead.
Nice, nice, nice.
I executed him.
Okay, get the tanker, get the tanker.
Okay.
I gotta heal.
Get out of this area.
You got my arm. I gotta heal. You gotta cover it, Jeff.
Okay, I'm at the tanker.
Okay.
Open the door. Open the door. Get the pocket watch. Pocket watch is on the floor.
Where's the door? Oh, here. Unlock. Open. Okay, I got it. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go back out that hole.
Okay, retreating. Same hole? Same hole?
Same hole. Same hole. Same
Okay.
hole. Okay.
We gotta go south, right?
What is the hole?
Here.
Right here. Got it. Okay.
South to dorms, right?
Got it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Follow me. Follow me. Arms. We have an alternate option. Save our money. Crossroad.
Wait, can I put the pocket watch in my thingy? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Wait, where'd it go?
It's already in your
It's mission.
Oh, okay, okay.
To alternate action. Crossroad. Exit.
Where is Crossroads? I don't know where that is.
Yes.
Oh, C, okay.
The bridge.
You wanna take this bridge or you wanna take pedestrian bridge?
Yeah, your bridge. Lower. Grab.
Okay. Everyone's has full mags and everything.
Yeah.
Make sure no one's on brink of health for food and stuff.
I was almost starting that deep.
Okay, Jet, food, water, you good?
I may need drinks.
Okay, take a drink break when we're
I do not
a
have
bit of.
liquids with me. I have 23 right now, but let's go.
We're good.
Okay. Don, the level of stress right now is very high.
Stop here. Water break.
Level of stress is very high. Level of enjoyment is
wanna
very
stay
low.
Okay.
I'm very
Taking-
scared right now.
Use.
This is the way the game is. Okay? No other game like this.
Okay, do you want it back?
No. So. 5 minutes.
Okay, we are at the train tracks crossing. Keep along the south border of this. Follow this fence line, right? Basically.
That's not all the way to the end.
I'm stuck in the weeds.
Yeah, please, okay.
Covering stamina.
Do the college yet? Unless
I saw their flash.
Too stressful. Way too stressful.
Don't forget to turn that task, or else you'll take it with you X-ray automatically.
Mm-hmm.
That said it was high risk. That is not okay.
Super high risk. Hey, my leg's still injured.
See if it's kid. This is feel it kind of just get back like. So you just which gets a little bit.
I see.
So you remember the front.
Why does it take so long to load back